Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to create a simple password generator in Python. So let's get started. First things first, the password generator will be importing characters from a variable. So this variable will be consisting of all values, that is alphabets, strings, etc. So for that, we need to import the string class. And if you want to read the documentation of the string class, you can simply search for your Python's IDLE docs. So if I search this Python in my search engine, I will find this Python 3.9 manuals. So if I can just click on this and open it, here I will get this drop down menu where I can search for string. And after searching for string, it shows built-in types and all these different types of documentation. I have to click on this string, common string operations, and I want this string dot printable. It's basically a string of ASCII characters which are considered printable. So now I've imported string. Now let's store all the printable characters in a variable. So character array is equal to string dot, let me just go back. The function name is string dot printable. So let me type that down, string dot printable. Now let's create a function that takes in a length of the string, length of the password required to be generated, and returns a password. So for that, let me call it password generator, password gen, and takes in a length as an argument in the form of an integer. Now let's create a variable called as return string that will basically be returned at the end of the function. Now let's create a for loop and let's iterate over it, over the length argument for I in range of length. Now that we have created the for loop, we need to create a random choice from this character array and append it into the string. That is the logic of creating this password generator. So for that, I will create a text, a char variable. Char is equal to random dot choice. So basically you will be thinking, what is this random variable present here? It's a library from Python that allows you to perform random operations on strings, data types, and etc. Basically, with the help of the random library, we will be using the random dot choice that allows us to choose a random item from the character array. So random dot choice, and within that I will specify the character array. Now once we have the character, we need to append it or add it into this return string. So return string plus equal to, that's the syntax, and the character. After this is completed, the for loop needs to terminate, and finally we need to return the string. So we'll just write a return statement, return s, that is my return string. And now the function is complete. To test this function, we'll simply call it, and within this function we need to specify a parameter of length. So let's specify a length of 10. Save this and let's run it. Let me just close this terminal and restart a new terminal. So it does not show anything because I am not printing the returned value. So let me just create a variable output is equal to the function that I'm calling, and let me print the output. Print output, save it, and now let me run the program right over again. And as you can notice, this is the random password that has been generated. I can run the program once again to get another password. And this is another password generated of 10 characters. So basically, with the help of the common libraries like string, random, we create a password generation program. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.